Good morning, guys. Good morning. And I'm so glad that you are here with me today on this mindful day. Mind Your Mentality Monday. Those of you that are new to the channel, I want to welcome you so much to this spiritual conscious community. And if you could do me a favor, people are saying that they're not getting getting the videos. So if you could do me a favor, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe and the bell notification so that we can stay connected, so that you can get a daily dose of spiritual inspiration. Okay. Well, on Mondays in our community, we like to talk about how we can really focus our mind to accomplish the things in life that we want to accomplish. And so today on this Mind Your Mentality Monday, I really want to just focus on your belief. I want to focus on your belief. I want you to know that God has taught us in various forms of information that the key to linking to the kingdom is built on our faith, and that faith is anchored not only in God, but in what you really truly believe. That is how strong belief is. Because when you put belief in motion, belief will go out into the spiritual realm surrounding you and bring about anything that you feel inside through faith. It's anchored in that belief in God, that whole belief feeling, that whole belief that you have. It's an invisible force that connects you to your desires. You know, I say this all the time. Years ago, I was reading an article about the power of belief, about a person, a doctor that did a case study on this woman that had some psychological problems going on. And she would say she's sick and would just throw up all the time. They went in there and they gave the lady a pill and told the lady that pill that she swallowed is supposed to stop her from throwing up. Okay. But in all actuality, that pill will cause a person to throw up, like if they swallowed some poison or something along those lines. Well, anyway, long story short, the lady took the pill and stopped throwing up. How is it then that pill was supposed to activate something in her mind to cause her to throw up, but her belief and what that doctor said caused the total opposite to happen? Chosen ones, I want to let you know that you are that powerful. When we think about the woman with the issue of blood, in that parable, everybody was touching Jesus. Everybody, when he walked through that city. But that one woman that had this issue, if I'm not mistaken, it was about 12 years she had this issue with this blood bleeding. She was willing to risk her life because she truly felt that if I could just touch the hem of the garment of Jesus, I will be made whole. When she touched him, through all of those people, Jesus said, "Who touched me?" Everybody was looking around like everybody's touching you. He was like, "No, who touched me?" Because when you touch that part of God, when you touch that invisible part of belief, it's something that is released in the heavens for you. He felt healing go out of him and turned to that lady and said, "Your faith has healed you." He felt healing come out of him and transfer over to that lady. I want you to understand that that is how powerful your belief is. Your belief is the element in this environment that will link you to your desired outcome. And so today on this affirmation for Dr. Joseph Murphy, it is talking about your belief. So I want you to listen really closely every week for the remaining of the year, which I'm going to do this for 52 weeks. But for the remaining of the year on Mondays, I'm going to talk about how to unleash the power of your subconscious mind, because everybody's after your mind. Everybody wants it because they understand how powerful it is, chosen ones. But what you have to do is even more powerful. So I'm going to go into week 2 here just really quick and give you this affirmation that you can fast forward during your week and you can listen to this or you can write it down. And this week's affirmation is affirm the power of your subconscious mind. Here's the affirmation. I can achieve all things through the power of my subconscious mind. And whatever I consciously impress upon my subconscious will find a way to make it happen. Strength, health, and goodness flow through me and all those around me. And I wish the best for everyone I encounter each and every day. I am thankful for all of the blessings bestowed upon me. Thankful for all the blessings bestowed upon me. Dr. Joseph Murphy says that for affirmations to be effective, you must believe in the power of belief. This affirmation helps build that belief, which then serves as the foundation on which all other affirmations are built. I'm going to say this affirmation just one more time, and I want you to really feel what I'm saying. I can achieve all things through the power of my subconscious mind. Whatever thoughts I consciously impress upon my subconscious will find a way to make it happen. Strength, health, and goodness flow through me and all those around me. And I wish the best for everyone I encounter each and every day. I am thankful for all of the blessings bestowed upon me. God gave you a mind for a reason. And I say it all the time. The mind is like a spiritual antenna that will connect you to the kingdom of heaven. And so as you go about your day today, I want you to really think about, what do you truly believe about yourself? Because what you truly believe about yourself, what you truly believe about God, is the foundation for everything that is to come in your experience. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I still believe in you. Bye now.